today we're going to check out the installation of the SOFAR PowerAll. Now, this has been going on for a little while now because a lot's been happening at the lab recently, but really it was a very quick install. The team got it up on the wall in just about an hour or so, and a little bit of testing, but I want to show you the unit as it's installed on the side of my house. Now let me tell you a bit about the SOFAR PowerAll first. It's a hybrid inverter. It comes in two power ratings, a 5 and a 6 kilowatt unit. And it comes with multiple battery options. You can have multiples of 5 kilowatt hour battery packs, which it sits stacked up on. So you can go from one 5 kilowatt battery pack up to 6, which will give you 30 kilowatt hours of energy storage on one inverter. You can even have up to 6 inverters with a master-slave configuration, which will give you up to 180 kilowatt hours of storage. And depending on whether you got the 5 or the 6 kilowatt model, between 30 and 36 kilowatts of single phase power. Wow, that's pretty awesome. So the hybrid inverter is also a symmetrical backup system. That means it's got the same power rating and backup as it does in AC feed to grid and supportive loads. So I've put it on the kitchen on my house here at the Smart Energy Lab because that's the number one place to have power for me. If we have any issues with supply, we're going to still be able to make our coffee, heat up things in the microwave, and cook the breakfast for the kids, and maybe even dinner as well. So here we are at the SOFAR PowerAll. Let's check it out. Well, here she is, the PowerAll. This is the 5 kilowatt unit. They do come in a 6, as I mentioned before, and I've got the two 5 kilowatt hour batteries giving me 10 kilowatt hours of energy storage to run my kitchen, whether it's directly from solar or solar plus battery or solar plus battery plus grid. So you actually can blend those three power sources together. The unit has a display on the front here which gives you the basics, basically how much is in the tank. It's got a nice bar graph on the front here showing you the state of charge of the battery system. It's also got an antenna, so it talks to your Wi-Fi network, and on the app on your phone, you can just pull up the SolarMan app and check out how the whole thing's going. So anywhere on the internet, you can check in on SolarMan and get all the history and the vitals of that unit. So there's my little system here being monitored on the app. So I'm really loving this. Like I said, it's running my kitchen, the number one load in the home. Thanks very much so far.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to always stay up to date with the latest videos from SOFAR Australia.